want to impress your friends at a party, you can do this simple trick. Basically, you put money underneath. If you bang the table and pull the money out at the right time, you can save the money completely without spilling the drink. I don't know how they even start this. How do you start this? That's how you start it. She's so smart.
Oh, thank you.
Yes. Let's see if it works. Thank you. I'm doing this for us. Doing this for you.
Your grandma, your mom, and your dog.
3, 2, 1. Oh, I did it! Finally! It's back! What are you doing?
This is a correct
No, it's not a button up! Why do you do this? We jumped off! You can blow a can from one cup into another cup with your mouth hole. Let's do it! I got...
Okay,
In this video, you will find out that Elsa and Josh can do nothing! You're blowing at the can. You have to blow under the can.
under.
Yeah, no. Somebody save us! Oh, it's fact! It's no cap! It only takes 5 hours of hard concentration! You get glue, you get a t-shirt, you get a rubber band, and you wrap it around a Coke bottle. When you squeeze it out, it makes this weird goo thing.
So I cut up your shirt. I'm sorry.
Wait, you cut up my shirt?
Life is hard.
Life is hard.
Stealing my catchphrase.
What to do? Life is hard. And it look. Ooh, it's squidgy.
Wow.
It's really squidgy.
Wait,
that looks really gross. Look at
Don't
this thing.
take Wow.
Wait.
Should we?
So this is a fact.
It's messy.
Let's clean up this. It's messy. Don't maybe like put a couple towels down at home. But we would recommend it. Fact.
Fact. If you want to put a nail in something without breaking that item, you can put it underwater while hammering it and it won't break. Let's get to it.
Water bucket. 3, 2, 1. I'm not even. Oh! Oh! I did it. Okay, we have to test without water. I might move away. 3, 2, 1. See, it's very messy. Look, they're the same. Same thing. It's cup. I need a good drink after that. Yeah, you want some?
Yeah, thank you.
Here you go.
Very tasty.
Very good.
If you rub a cucumber on a piece of ice and then squirt it with lemon and then put it in your mouth, if smoke will come out.
So basically, cucumber plus lemon plus ice equals smoke. I just happen to have cucumber and lemon. I take the cucumber and I take the ice and I...
Yeah.
And do I need the cucumber afterwards?
Throw it away. Just throw it. Bye, cucumber.
Bye, cucumber. Then I squirt on the ice.
And now blow. No, I actually don't see anything. Okay, let me try it. Oh?
It's mostly cup.
So guys, something happened. But if you're arrested just like us, who knows?
We weren't arrested.
Use
We were
this
just
TikTok. You just wrap it somehow, and you just break free.
break free. So I've already got my arms in kind of a good position. I think I have enough leverage to break this now.
Whoa!
Oh, I actually did it. That's sick.
This is fact.
Shane, I'll do it again. Ow! Ow!
My plan worked out. Now we're stuck together forever.
Okay, let me. How do I do it now? Oh no!
You're stuck with me forever. And you know what? I lost the keys. Let me out! Look, we just have to learn to live with each other. Let's hold hands. Thank you. Next one.
Just in case you thought it couldn't get any better, we have a guest capper to join us today. Famous TikToker Archie from Archie5. What's up, guys?
What's going on here?
We're doing some crafts, man, and we thought it would be good to have an expert on our team, and we have a few questions for you.
Okay, for sure.
So my question is, one where you had a bird feeder. Was that a fake bird?
Actually, it was a real bird.
Next question.
I want to make this fly.
Oh my, I know this one.
Okay, let's test it.
Okay, yay!
It works!
Still going.
Nice.
So we did it.
Yep.
Are you tired of paying of electricity? I have a watermelon here, and I can charge my phone with it. Let's do this!
That was totally intentional.
The next step, make a hole in your watermelon. I made a hole. I'm gonna take this beautiful Pepsi. We're gonna make a small little hole and put the charger inside. Ooh.
A little mixy.
So we got all the Mentos inside now, but still, no free electricity. This cap.
We're gonna see if these beads can float.
So flip it.
I just go like this.
Oh.
So supposedly, when we release this piece of paper in the middle, all the beads are going to float to the top and it's going to create kind of a cool
Rainbow experience.
Comment down below, should I pull it? If you don't comment down below right now, how am I gonna pull it? It's happening! Wow. Why is there a green thing floating in there? There's just like a piece of seaweed floating in there. Is that a booger? It's very beautiful.
Beauty.
Yes.
Woo.
Look at this. I can do it.
Woo. Yeah, boy.
Wow.
This is like never-ending entertainment.
Exactly. It's a certified fact.
Underneath the iPhone box, in a secret compartment, there's an iPhone case that's perfect for your iPhone.
So where do we look for this?
So we just, oh, there we go. I got this,
So
guys.
there's supposedly an iPhone case underneath this.
Yeah.
We look at the phone case.
Look at that.
There's no phone case in there. This is huge cap. This one,
Very huge cap.
If you ever have a bottle with a cork and you don't have a corkscrew, you can just basically heat the top of the bottle and the cork will just magically pop off. Okay, let's go.
is this gonna work even? I think these, how long do we have to wait for this to work? Do we have to boil the water inside?
You're asking too many questions to a lady.
I just want to know the science. Is it really hot? Ooh, yeah, it's really hot.
It's really hot.
This is not working. I feel like
It's
not working.
I think it's capped. 10 more seconds of trying. I think it's gonna happen. Help us.
Help us. Just make something happen. Can you add an effect where it just, the explosion's gonna happen now. 3, 2, 1. And that was completely real. This is a cap.
You heat the bottom of a pan with the hot water that you use to make the noodles. You put it on top, you heat it, and then it closes and it won't spill anywhere. Let's see if it works. Take the pan,
I take the pot.
take it and heat the top of the pan. And heat the lid of the noodles.
So apparently if I do this, it's just gonna close. It won't spill anymore.
I think that's enough time.
3, 2, 1.
Take off!
I'm not gonna open it by the conventional means. I have more faith.
Yeah, dunk it.
Big fat cap.
You take a bag, some cornstarch, and you mix it with water, and then it makes a perfect barrier for your egg, like a little cushion for it to hold and not break. So let's test it. Hold my egg, protect it.
No one come near this egg or I'm gonna squeeze it.
Oh, you're pouring all that cornstarch in there.
You pour the water. And
Oh my god, there's so much powder coming out.
I have one more bag. Okay, so we're back. Look at this, okay? Do you see this?
Mix the egg in. So it's
Ooh.
ready. The egg is ready, I
Wait,
believe. We're gonna go outside now. In 3, 2, 1.
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah. No! He was so young.
It's okay. We're gonna make an omelet now. It's fine.
Anyway, that's a big cap. Hey guys!
Thank you so much for all your support. It means so much to both of us. If you want to be a true 4 hyper, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Also, we're doing weekly shoutouts. This week's shoutout goes out to Barbie Official. Congratulations, Barbie Official! If you want to be our next week's shoutout, comment down below as many times as you can, and we'll see you next time on 4 Hype.